In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook. If you've ever wanted a faster way to email the same set of people like a project team or a committee, a contact group, sometimes called a distribution list, is the perfect solution. We'll do this in classic Outlook, and I'll walk you through creating the group and updating it later, all in a simple, clear way. Start by opening classic Outlook. Once it's open, move to the People area, which is your contacts view. You can get there from the navigation bar. It's the place where you manage everyone in your address book. In People, go to the Home tab and choose New Contact Group. This opens a new window dedicated to your group. Give your group a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later. Names like Marketing Weekly or Project Team Q1 make it obvious who's inside. Next, click Add Members. You'll see 3 choices. From Outlook Contacts lets you select anyone you've saved in your personal contacts. From Address Book is useful if you're in an organization and want to pull from your company directory. New Email Contact is handy when you need to add someone who isn't in your contacts yet. You can type in their display name and email address on the spot. When you're selecting from your contacts or address book, you can pick multiple people at once. Use the search box to quickly find names, and hold Ctrl to select multiple entries or Shift to select a range. If you add someone by mistake, don't worry, you can remove them before saving. Once you're happy with your list, click Save Close to create the group. Later, when you need to make changes, go back to People and locate your group. Double-click the group to open it. You'll be back in that group window with the ribbon at the top. To add more people, choose Add Members again and use the same options as before. To remove someone, first click their name in the list to highlight it, then select Remove Members on the ribbon. This removes them from the group but does not delete them from your contacts. When you're done updating, click Save Close to lock in your changes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.